So now let's see how we can work around with table of contents block inside of wordpress.com. So over here you can see that I got two heading blocks. So I got the sample heading block and sample2 heading block right here. So let's say I want to add in a table of contents that links to the particular headings that I have in the page. In that case, you can go around in between two blocks and click on the plus button and then type in table right here. Then you can see that table of contents actually appear right here. Once you click on it, you can actually see that they are linked to the particular headings that I have right here. Let's just go around and add in another heading. Let's say, for example, around over here, I'm simply going to go around and let's say, for example, hover around and then type in heading right here again. And I'm going to go around and say main heading, let's say, for example. Once I go ahead and do that, you can see that main heading has been added in right there as well. I can go ahead and change around the heading level and you can see that the indentation happens accordingly as well. And this is what you have, and you can only include this in the current page as well, or you can go ahead and work around with the text color for this. As you can see right here, you can add in a background to this as well and then enable and change around the link color for this as well, just like this. You can change around the padding right here, you can change around the margin as you can see right here, and even go ahead and change around the border as you like as well, and then work around with the radius as you can see, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the table of contents block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.